Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to join Sephora loyalty program. The first thing I'd like you to do is launch your Sephora account, which of course I have done right here. Now I'd like you to know that Sephora is a French multinational retailer of personal care and beauty products with nearly 340 brands, along with its own private label called the Sephora Collection. Now, Sephora Collection includes beauty products such as cosmetics, skincare, fragrance, nail color, beauty tools, body lotions, and hair care. So now that we know a bit of what Sephora is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to join Sephora loyalty program. Now, the Sephora loyalty program is also known as the Sephora Insider program. So let's see how we can join Sephora Insider. Meanwhile, once you create an account on Sephora, you become an insider member. So it's absolutely free for you to join the loyalty program. Once you create a Sephora account, you become an insider because you're even going to find this insider status in here. So you have this insider, so you're already an insider. So you have this beauty insider summary. If you have your activity, savings, and benefits, so you're already an insider if you create an account on Sephora. But here are other things that you can do to enhance your benefits on the insider program. So scroll the way down to about Sephora, and here you're gonna have the beauty insider. That's my Sephora. You have this beauty insider, so click on that. So there's the beauty insider program, which is a loyalty program for Sephora. And you have this beauty insider benefits. All members earn 1 point. So this is the beauty insider challenges. So you can get access to beauty insider challenges to earn more points when you complete tasks. And you have this beauty insider cash. Get 10% off for every 500 points you earn, and browse the rewards bazaar. You also get free standard shipping on all orders as a beauty insider member. So spend up to that, you have to place an order of up to $350 for you to reach the VIB status. Now with the VIB status, okay, it says once you earn 500 points, you can apply them to your purchase for $10 off. So your beauty insider cash will appear here. So shop to earn points. So let's go ahead and click on the shop to earn points. So you have this from rewards bazaar to view all. So if you're eligible, you can now click on this add to basket for you to do that. So let's click on shop to earn points. So it takes you back to the Sephora window. So go ahead and click on any product. Once click on any product and you shop, you make an order, you check out. The more you keep clicking on any product and the more you keep checking out, the more you keep ordering, the more you keep earning points. So that's just pretty much it. So once you create a Sephora account, you become a member of the Beauty Insider program, which is a loyalty program for Sephora. So here are all of the benefits that you can enjoy. So you can even head over to VIB or Rogue. So spend $350 a year, spend $1,000 a year for you to become a Rogue member, and VIB spend $350 a year for you to become a VIB member and have access to all of these benefits. So that's pretty much it. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.